All right, hi everybody. Today I'm going to be walking through the 3.2a CFA, and this is the first part, which is identifying types of chemical reactions. And so on number 1, we are starting off here with a hydrocarbon and oxygen, and then just turning, or in our products of the reaction are carbon dioxide and water. So anytime we see these specific 4 things in a reaction, the hydrocarbon and oxygen on one side, and then producing CO2 and water, that is a combustion reaction. That's just a special case. I've never written on the with my mouse before, so my writing will not be perfectly neat, but yeah, combustion. Okay. And so moving on to number 2, we have sulfur sulfide reacting with aluminum to produce aluminum sulfide and silver. So in this case, this is an example of a single replacement reaction. I'm just going to write SR. And this is single replacement because right here you have this aluminum coming in and it is replacing the silver in the silver sulfide, and then that gives you aluminum sulfide and silver. So single replacement reaction. On this next one, we are starting with aluminum and sulfur, and it is, and our product again this time is aluminum sulfide. And we have 2 separate like elements right here that are coming together to form one. And so because they are coming together to form one thing, this is an example of a synthesis reaction. Oh my goodness, this is not good writing. Okay, synthesis. All right, number 4 is showing we have methane right here, which is a hydrocarbon reacting with oxygen to form water and CO2. So in this case, this is another example of combustion because we are reacting a hydrocarbon with oxygen to form CO2 and water. I'm just writing combust. Okay, on number 5, we have aluminum reacting with iron nitrate to form aluminum nitrate and iron. And so in this case, we have aluminum by itself that is reacting with that iron nitrate, and the aluminum is coming in and taking the place of the iron in that compound. So this is an example, again, of a single replacement reaction. So that's SR, single replacement. In number 6, we have nitric acid, which is this HNO3, reacting with calcium hydroxide to produce calcium nitrate and water. And so in this case, we have a double replacement reaction because we have what's happening is the H and the Ca. Here, wait. Let me go back. The H and the Ca are switching places on the other side of the reaction. And so you're getting the calcium that was bonded with the hydroxide is now bonded with the nitrate, and the hydrogen that was with the nitrate is now bonded with the OH. And so then that's making water. And so that's a double replacement reaction. They both switched partners. All right, number 7, we have water, which is producing hydrogen and oxygen. And in this case, we have what is called a decomposition reaction because we are starting with one compound and then it's being broken up into 2 compounds. And so that is a decomposition. There has to be a better way to write with a mouse. Okay. And then for our last one, we have nitrogen dioxide reacting with water and oxygen to form nitric acid. And so in this case, we have 3 separate compounds coming together to form one compound. So this is a synthesis reaction, and it still is synthesis even though we have 3 compounds on this side forming to one because they are all coming together to make nitric acid. And so this is, oh my gosh, a synthesis. I'm starting synthesis. Okay, so that's it for this part. We're going to continue in the next part with the next couple of problems.